In this video, we are going to talk about how to fix song is unavailable on YouTube Music, region, rights, and download fix.
Fix 1. Restart the app. First of all, you just have to close the app completely and then reopen the YouTube Music app and attempt to play the song again. If the issue persists, you can just restart your phone. This also help you to resolve the issue. Fix to update YouTube Music. For that, you can open the App Store on your iPhone and Play Store on your Android. Open it in a search bar. You have to type YouTube Music and open it, and here if any update button is available, you just have to update it. Fix 3. Turn off restricted mode. For that, you have to open the YouTube Music. At the top right corner, you can see a profile icon. Click on that and click on settings. And here you have to click on general and click on restricted mode. And if the option is on, you just have to toggle it off. Fix 4. Remove and re-add the song only playlist. For that, you have to open the YouTube Music app and tap on library. And here you have to click on playlist. And here you can see a list of playlists. You just have to open the playlist which have problem. You just have to open it, and here you have to select the song which have problem, then click on the three vertical dot, and here you can see a option called remove the playlist. Remove it. Again you have to search. Here you have to search for that song, and again you can click on the three horizontal dot and click on add to queue or add to a playlist. Fix 5. Clear app cache. For that, you have to open the phone settings and here move to the apps and click on manage apps and type YouTube Music and click on storage and click on clear cache.
So, doing all these steps will help you to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.